Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'll be teaching you how to make a two-player game for the first time. So what you do in it is like a cat and dog race each other, and there's a referee. And whoever gets to the finish line, well, not really finish line, an object. If they reach an object, say it was here, then they win. If the other player reached it, well, the other player wins. So let's get started. Let's pick a basic backdrop like this. Now let's get a few sprites here. Cat. I like this cat here. And let's pick, I'd say, a dog. I like dogs. And let's pick a human. Uh, the people section. Let's pick really quick. Uh, let's do this one, I think. Let's not waste that much time. Yeah, let's just do this one. Let's just turn his size into this. Let's turn his size down. Not that much. Maybe a bit smaller. There, that's good. And now we'll pick two more items. A tennis ball. Because dogs really like tennis balls. And let's also pick, what do cats like? Uh, maybe the cat, not a mouse. Let's do, let's just pick something quick. Maybe the cat is thirsty and wants to drink water. Here. Now we start the code. When flag clicked, go to X minus 189 and Y 8. Oh, sorry. Okay, and now let's go to the dog. When flag clicked, go to X minus 189 and Y minus 155. Okay, so the two players should be facing like this. And now, let's write this first. Let's start with him and say when flag clicked, set count to 0. We're gonna make a new variable called count. It will just count the, numbers. Like in a race, you say 3, 2, 1, go, like that. Set count to 0. Let's keep it like that. And let's drag a repeat block and repeat whatever number of times. Repeat X times. Repeat 3 times. Change count by 1. Say say for 1 second. Say count for 1 second. See? 3, 1, 2, 3, and then it says go. Sorry again. And then make a broadcast block. And let's drag this block and say broadcast start. And then we start the thing. Sorry again. So when I receive start race, you just start. Now we'll start the whole code. Forever. Wait until right arrow key pressed. So guys, look. 3. See, this will feel like cheating. See, wait. Now, let's duplicate this. Wait until, and instead we'll drag not. Wait until not key right arrow press. So you can't just hold the thing and win the game. You have to keep clicking it. It's like a spamming challenge. You have to spam it. You can't hold it. See, the game will become really weird. Like that. And by the way, let's just remove this. Let's see. Okay, good. Now let's do a move 10 steps block. And then next costume to make it look like it's moving. And then if touching the glass of water, yeah, if touching glass of water, broadcast, hey, there, broadcast, let's make a new message and type cat wins. And then, yeah, we'll drag that. Now let's drag the same thing for the dog, except let's switch it up by a little bit. The dog will be the other player, right? So when in like video games, like the WASD, like WASD thing, D is for right. So the right arrow for the keyboard, like the letters, is D. So D's here. Wait until D is not pressed. And then you move 10 steps as usual in next costume. If touching the tennis ball, now we'll broadcast, you might have guessed it, dog wins instead of cat wins. Okay, and now let's drag him. And now let's do a little bit more. When I receive cat win and dog win. Let's make this one dog wins. Okay. When I receive cat wins, say, wait, say cat wins. For 2 seconds. And you might have guessed it. When the dog wins, say dog wins. Wait, let's make it a bit more thing. Let's make it more fun. Cat wins the contest. And then dog wins the contest. Okay. And then after that, we will drag stop other scripts and sprites. Let's duplicate this. Change your stop all to stop other scripts and sprite. There. And now let's do a little bit more. Now let's drag the cat flying. When I receive, cat wins, dog wins, stop all. We don't stop other scripts and sprites. Just do that. So it doesn't like stop the player from like to stop the teammate from the judge, the referee to say his word. Now we dragged it in the dog's code. Let's drag this too as well. Okay. And now let's start the game. I will show you what happens when the cat wins, the dog wins, and when they're both moving. 1, 2, 3, go. Wait, it's not moving. Wait, let me check the code again. Oh yeah, for some reason it's not. Wait. Okay, it's working now. I was accidentally pressing the wrong key. The cat wins the contest. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Yes, I'm doing it. Yes. And dog wins the contest. Now, let's say I got a friend of mine here. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm the dog and he's the cat. Let's start. Wait, no. Let's start this again. So I'm the dog and he's the cat. The dog wins the contest. And one more time. And the cat wins the contest. Okay, so even though this is a basic game, it's still to have you surefire have fun. So I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you next time.